I will be showing you how you can get a root access on your Android without rooting your device. So I'm gonna show you that my phone is rooted. I rooted it and it has permission to access root. So I'm going here to check it out my root, on my device. I'm going to click on root checker to see if my phone has root access or not. All right, by clicking on verify root, and you will see that my phone will ask my me to give a root permission on root checker. Right, I'm going to click here this time only, and I'm going to allow it. And as you can see, my phone has root access. Congratulations, root access is properly installed on your device. So guys, welcome to my channel, welcome to my video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get a root access. This tutorial will be showing you how you can get a root access on your device without without harming your device. So be connected and subscribe on my channel, hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload new video. Like the video and don't forget to share the video as well, and let's get started. First of all, you will be installing your device Vmos Pro, this application that I will be leaving the link to download it down there on the description. You can download it from the link that I'm going to leave down there on the description. First of all, you will be installing here the Vmos Pro application. I'm going to leave the link down there on the description. Download, install, and as well you're going to install the Vmos Pro Room Lite version, right? Download it as well from the link that I'm going to leave down there. And you have to create one folder, name it backup folder, and you're gonna create as well the Vmos Pro folder as I did here on my device. I'm going to just show you how to do it. You're gonna create the folder, name it Vmos Pro, and as well you have to create the folder inside of Vmos Pro. They create as well backup folder. Perfect. Once we created the backup folder and Vmos Pro folder, you have to move the Vmos room that you're going to download from the link that I'm going to leave down there. You have to move the room to this folder here. And then once we did this whole process, you have to click and open the Vmos Pro. You have to add a new room in Vmos Pro, and you will need to give all permission to Vmos Pro on the first time that you open it. And if you open the first time and you will need internet connection, you don't need to worry about it. You're just going to close and reopen it, and you're gonna click on the first option here on the three dot app on the right corner. Click on it on there and click on the first option on the app there. This is not working for me because I didn't put there the Vmos room, but you can as well click on the second option here and add the room from this side here by clicking and installing the room from here, and then you will find the room and you wanna click it. If you create the folder exactly the same way that I said, you're gonna click here on Vmos on the first option, so the room will be available, and you're gonna just install it. You're gonna just run the room. And as I said before, this is the room that I'm using here with Android 5.1, and it's working perfectly. The root, it has the root and it's working perfectly as I showed you. I'm using here the Vmos room Lite. It's pretty cool, pretty easy, pretty simple to install it. As I said, just download, create the Vmos folder, backup folder, move the room to the Vmos Pro folder inside of the backup folder. Then you're gonna reopen the Vmos Pro and you're gonna install the room easily, and you will have root access on this device. Okay guys, as I showed you, the room has root access and is working perfectly without harming my device, without anything, without PC, without being there trying to kill my device. So I will be stopping from here. If you like the video, please subscribe on my channel, hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload new video. Like the video, and I see you on the next one.